Okay, let's try the calculus cubic question. And they gave you a nice picture, and it doesn't have a lot of weird just letters in it. They gave it to you, minus x cubed plus 12x plus 2. And the first question is quite nice because they say, write down the coordinates of C. And you've got to know, you look at C and you go, oh, that's on the y line. It's a y-intercept. So you let x equals 0 and y equals 2. So 0 and 2 is your answer. And that's it. Okay, let's try the next question. They say, determine the coordinates of the turning points of G. Determine the coordinates of the turning points. Well, how do you do turning points? You've got to take the derivative and make it equal 0. You want to find out where the gradient is 0, the place where they turn, where the rate of change is 0. So you take the derivative, you go 3 times 1 minus 1 is minus 3 is 2 there. 1 times 12 is 12. There's the derivative. Make it equal 0. I divide everything by negative 3 and have x squared minus 4. So there are just two things there. X is going to equal minus 2 or x is going to equal plus 2. And this memo is full of errors and funny little typing things. And so it's minus 2 or plus 2. And here it's right here. Now how do we find the y values? Well, we just take minus 2 and put it back into the function. We can type that in our calculator and get minus 14. If we put 2 in here, we get 18. So there's the coordinates of the turning points, minus 2 and minus 14 at A. I like to put it right on the graph so I can see, and 2 and 18. That'll help me for some other questions. Now determine the values of x for which the graph is increasing. Well, as you go from left to right, this isn't very hard because it's going down here. Oh, now it's stopped going up or down, but it's increasing. Now it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's where the gradient is positive, where it's going uphill, like this, where it's increasing. And I can see it's in between minus 2 and 2. Don't say it's equal to 2 or minus 2. It's x is less than 2, but greater than minus 2. That's where it's increasing, or that's where the gradient is positive. And there you go. There's 9.1 to 9.3.